Notion: features, strengths, weaknesses. Notion is a versatile workspace application that combines note-taking, project management, and database functionalities into a single, unified platform. Key features include customizable databases, which allow users to structure information in various formats like tables, boards, lists, calendars, and galleries. Its flexible page structure allows for embedding various content blocks, including text, images, videos, code snippets, and even integrations with other apps. Notion's wiki and document collaboration tools are also notable, facilitating team knowledge sharing and collaborative editing in real time. Who is Notion made for? Broadly speaking, it caters to individuals and teams seeking a customizable and interconnected workspace. Students use it for note-taking and organization. Freelancers manage projects and clients. Startups utilize it for documentation and task management. And larger enterprises leverage it for internal wikis and knowledge bases. The strengths of Notion lie in its customizability and flexibility. Users can tailor the platform to their specific needs and workflows, creating truly personalized workspaces. Its all-in-one nature reduces the need for multiple apps, streamlining workflows and centralizing information. The collaborative features foster teamwork and efficient communication. Furthermore, its cross-platform availability, web, desktop, mobile, ensures accessibility from anywhere. However, Notion also has its weaknesses. The initial learning curve can be steep, especially for new users unfamiliar with database concepts or advanced features. Performance can sometimes be slow, particularly with large databases or complex pages. Offline functionality is limited, requiring an active internet connection for most operations. The pricing structure can also be a barrier for some users, as the free plan has limitations and the paid plans can become expensive for larger teams. Finally, while powerful, Notion's jack-of-all-trades approach means it might not be the absolute best tool for highly specialized tasks compared to dedicated software in specific areas like advanced project management or complex CRM. In conclusion, Notion is a powerful and adaptable tool suitable for a wide range of use cases. While its flexibility and all-in-one nature are major strengths, users should be aware of its learning curve, potential performance issues, and limitations compared to specialized applications. Evaluate your specific needs and workflows to determine if Notion's unique blend of features aligns with your requirements for a workspace solution.